162.
Nice. 162 SPL you better. All right. What's your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Daniel Malden, and I got 3 ZD5 Hybrid 18s, 2 Crossfire 8X, XS 8X. They're the 16 volt board amps for Crossfire.
Okay.
90 amp hour Proto, DDM4 and Sundown Neo Pros all in the doors.
Nice. Who built this?
Me and a couple buddies did.
Okay. That's a 4th or is there a 6th?
It's a 6.
6. That's kind of hard to see. Oh, I see them.
Yeah.
Are they like 6-inch or 8-inch air ports?
8-inch.
Okay.
Here, I'll play you a low note.
All right. Oh, there. It looks good. What's your SPO? Have you done it or tunings? Do you know that?
162. It's tuned rear 20 and front's 40.
Okay. Nice. 162 SPL you better. All right. What did they get into? Is that a temperature?
Yeah, that's the temperatures.
230?
Yeah.
That's a little warm.
By the time it's got a long intro, but this is like one of my more favorite songs still.
Okay. How you doing? really low.
Hey,
Get one more for me?
yeah, let me get a little bit of what you want, a little higher.
I like the lows. Just one more low. That was good. Yeah.
Let me pull them up real quick.
Okay, yeah, do what you gotta do, man.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
get retarded.
It doesn't fall off and it's throwing down. This probably plays to the high teens well, definitely.
Oh,
yeah, nice job, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, what was that frequency range? That's like down 18.
So like,
Wow.
18 was what the low note was.
Okay.
And then like the high note, I want to say like 32 or something.
Okay. I appreciate it, man. Your name?
Daniel Malden.
Daniel. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. You have a good day, man.
Thank you. Y'all too.
Yeah, pretty impressive to see how you fit
Oh,
three
yeah.
of them in a 6 like this. You did good. A lot of work to get to it. So.
It was definitely a lot
Yeah.
of work.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go look at the back real quick,
man.
see how it looks.
Don't mind it's ugly back there.
That's all right.